Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Airbnb referral program and how to invite hosts to earn passive income on the Airbnb. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Airbnb app, then go to the profile section, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And when you open it up, you have to scroll down a little bit to the referrals and credits menu below the hosting menu, and you will see the refer a host. Earn $15 for every new host you refer. And by tapping on it, it's going to open up the referral program. Here you can see your earnings, and you can also see how your referrals work option with these 3 steps. And to get your own referral link, just have to tap on the copy your link, and it's going to copy your referral link. You can also tap on share to share your link on social media or any messaging apps. But also by copying your link, you can send it anywhere you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.